So this is the place that I've been waiting to stay at for a really, really long time. We are at the Este Luxury Villas here in Santorini in Thera, not too far from the top where you get the amazing views. And we are staying in suite number 8. So follow me, let's check it out. We got the beautiful cave pool. And over here, we got obviously a freezer. You use all these cups and plates. We got a sink, that old style, love it. And here's the bathroom. Got the toilet. That's me, excited. And here's a shower. Beautiful shower here. But that is not the main bathroom. So just check it out. There's the view. There you go. Got like a nice little swing chair. And huge sofa. TV. And here's where all the magic happens, folks. Check it out. Ooh. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Got the robes over there. Iron board. Move on over here. This is the real bathroom, right? So you open this door, and you can basically dry up in here if you choose to, of course. And here is the real deal shower. So right there, you got the stool. You already know what's gonna happen there. And that's not all. We are going to, oh, I love this. Love that. Really cool. We're gonna go to the second floor. And you have another room. Another bedroom. Absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous spot. Amazing. Now, how much was it? I think we spent, it was like $500 to $600 a night here, but it's worth every penny. You get beautiful views of the ocean from here as well. Can't wait to use this pool in the nighttime. Ah, man, I love Santorini, and I love the spot that we got. All right, so after a wonderful, wonderful sunset and an amazing day in Ia, now it's time to enjoy our pool. I gotta tell you, it's a little chilly. It's a little chilly in here, but how beautiful is this amazing pool? It's deep, so it's not one of those little pools. It's actually deep, but it's really nice, and it's to ourselves, our own cave pool. I love this place. I am so happy that we booked this place, enjoying it with my wife. Trying to convince her to come in, but there she is right there. She's a little scared.
Oh, that junk is cold.
It's cold. It's cold. But you have to enjoy it. I mean,
Go ahead, jump in.
I mean, I'm in already.
No, the other half.
I'm in. Get the morning breakfast here.
So I'll be right back, yeah?
Thank you.
Looks amazing.
Breakfast is served. Wonderful. So this is included. We don't have to pay extra for this. Yummy, yummy.
Would you care for some orange juice?
I don't know what accent that was, but alright.
Would you care for some orange juice?
Boy. Now, you can't really ask for more with this room. I have to tell you, I have been to many hotels. I have stayed in wonderful places. But this to me is just has that one unique feel where it's just you, your wife, your spouse, and beautiful views. Of course, the pool is a plus, your own personal pool. But this view is amazing, and it's not crowded, and you don't have people all over the place. It's just for you to enjoy.